Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. Happy Monday if you're watching this video on the day of upload. If you're not, happy whatever day this is for you. I hope that everything is wonderful in your world. In my world, we're painting these tips a pretty Tiffany blue, and then we're gonna make a butterfly. Y'all, we're gonna make a butterfly. I'm kind of obsessed with the butterfly thing right now. I feel like I want to do some other more nature-y inspired stuff. So I've got a package coming today with some colors that I'm excited to work with. So we're going to do, I've got some ideas that I've been inspired to do by other amazing artists. What I'm doing here is just using this kind of sheer black to almost just trace out the shape I want to work with. At this really beginning part, honestly, it's okay if it's not perfect because, first of all, it's always got to be okay. It's not perfect for me because it's never going to be perfect. I have to just transcend the need for things to be perfect in my art. So don't worry about the tracing being perfect. You're going to come back in later and really strengthen the lines that you're working with, because this is really a segmented, pretty, sparkly butterfly, and what you're really going to be seeing is all that glitter. So just make the shape that makes you happy when you try if you try this. Let me know too in the comment section, are you going to try this? Because I want to see what you create. I really want to see it. This whole effect gives me a very stained glass sort of vibe. So we'll just call this the stained glass butterfly. There you go. The glittery stained glass butterfly. I like it. That's what we're going to name the video. Yay! Okay. So I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend if you are watching this on a Monday. I had an interesting weekend myself because I found a dog. Or rather, she found us. Me and my dog were outside. Let me just stop myself real quick. I'm coming in with some darker gel polish now, or gel paint, and just darkening where I'm working. I'm just strengthening those lines and making the segments that I'm going to put the glitter into. And I did sort of forget here that butterflies have a body, but I'm going to remember in just a second and make that body. So, and you know what, don't be afraid to clean up. Make sure you use what you need to use. I was being lazy or economical maybe with my alcohol, and so it wasn't cleaning correctly, and I had to come after it a couple times. So don't be like Gigi. Here comes that body. I for a second I was like, oops. Butterflies have bodies, don't they? They do. They do. I am going to be switching back and forth between the two wings, but it's 100% the same process. I did get a little bit of gel polish there, but you're going to cover it with this glitter. So if you made a mistake like that, don't panic. It's going to be okay. It really is. And even if you did make a mistake like that and had to fix it, you could file it off. It's not the end of the world. I sometimes panic when I make little mistakes, and I'm like, oh, wait a second. There's no need to panic. I'm so funny. So anyway, I found a dog, or rather, like I said, she found me. And me and my actual dog, Jake, were outside in the yard. It was finally cooled down, and we're just enjoying the evening. And I was looking down at my phone, and I look up, and there she was. And I'm like, oh my goodness. So long story short, she just ran in the house when I opened the door, and she's super tiny. She's a little bitty chihuahua. From picking her up, I'm going to guess like 3 or 4 pounds maybe. She's so cute and really, really tiny. Not teacup, but whatever the next biggest size would be. So miniature or something. I don't know. I don't know. But she's darling. She is not fixed because she was in heat when she got here Saturday. She's almost out now, but I don't know if that's because she's pregnant. So I put posts everywhere looking for her family. There's not a vet there's a vet within walking distance, but it's hot, hot summer right now, and I cannot walk there in the hot summer in the beating down sun. I don't have a car. So I really don't have a way to get her checked to see if she has a chip. But the fact that she's not fixed doesn't really give me a lot of hope that she is actually chipped, because why would you chip a dog that you're not bothering to get fixed? If I was a betting woman, I'd say this dog probably has never seen a vet. So I'm going to hang on to her. I'm not sending her to the vet. I can totally afford to feed a tiny dog. I already have dog food for my dog, so she can just eat. And I cook for my dog as well, so she can just eat the chicken and rice and dog food. But I'm just going to try to find her family. I'm not sure what else to do besides take her to the pound, which I know they put them down so fast over there, and she's so sweet, and I hate the thought of her being in a cage. So I'm not sure what to do on that end. I suppose legally that's exactly what I should do. And I don't want to admit on this video that I'm not doing the legal thing, but I may just call over there and see if there's a way for me to just report I found her but not turn her in. Because if she's got a family that's looking for her, I would want somebody to find me if Jake were loose. But I also don't want to just surrender her to certain death either. So she's a really sweet dog, and my dog likes her. So I would offer her a place if we couldn't find her family. And I'm not hoping for that. I want to find her family. But I also don't want to just send her to the pound. You let me know, am I doing the wrong thing? That's all I can say. I'm trying really hard to find her family, though, and I'm going through the neighborhood. I'm talking to all my neighbors. I've let everyone know I found this dog. I'm not keeping it a secret in any way. I'm not trying to hide her or anything. So it's not like that. It's not, like I'm crossing my fingers behind my back saying that I'm looking for her family. So there's that. So that was my weekend. I didn't sleep a lot the first night she was here because she kept waking up, and that would wake me up, and I would take her outside because she's tiny, so tiny dog, tiny bladder, they got to pee a lot. But last night she slept really good all night long, and I slept pretty well, although I'm nervous about her, so not as well as I normally would. Oh, I'm just rambling away, you all. I'm just rambling away. Oh, my goodness. If you guys have done a set of nails like this, by the way, I did come in with that darker pink color. I thought maybe I would do it all rose gold, but you know what? I just decided it needed a punch, right? And I thought it could go in the middle there on the bottom part of the wing. I'm so sorry if you heard my little snort there. My allergies are freaking out this morning, and I took an allergy pill, but things are still happening. It's not quite taken effect yet. Oh, wow. And just all of a sudden my whole head just sort of lightly snorted. It was weird. Oh my God. You guys, oh my God. I'm hilarious. I'm being a little messy here, but I do come back. I don't show you, but I do come back and just sort of clean up that glitter to push it back into the place I want it to go. Because this really does, the more I did it, the more I was like, this is really just giving me those stained glass vibes. So I had fun making this set. And I feel like maybe I could do a phoenix rising from the ashes in this effect. I'm going to really consider that. I feel like that would be pretty. Like all red and orange and yellow. And I'm going to stop talking. There's a package coming today. Y'all, a package. And you know there's a giveaway coming. So if you're not subscribed, this will be a subscriber giveaway. Please click that red button so that you can join in on the giveaway and a chance to win, I think, a pretty cool prize. It's not the biggest prize on YouTube, but it's my first giveaway, and it's my first 100, and it's coming out of the the nail budget, which is not huge. So just go ahead and click that button for a chance to be included. And of course, you're going to have to watch that video and leave me a little comment or something. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Guys, here's the butterfly. As you can see, the sizing's not perfect, but I think I did okay. Let me know if you'd wear this below and enjoy these pictures on the way out.